TeamFullest. This is again Amy. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Make Open Channel. In today's video, I just want to come and give you guys a quick update on my hair. What happened? Because like I remember the last time you guys saw me, I do have a hair on my head, and then now I cut everything off. It has grown. It has grown out now. It has grown, and I just want to have short hair. I just want to maintain short hair. I have two beautiful daughters that I am taking care of their hair, and their hair is really healthy. It's really long now. It's getting so beautiful, and I spend so much time doing their own hair that honestly speaking, I don't really have much time for my own hair. Not that I don't have time. I don't make time. I don't want to. I don't make time. Maybe deep down secretly is because I want to have short hair because I enjoy having short hair. So therefore I kind of make excuse of not having enough time to do my own hair. And if I want to have long hair, I will wear wig. I will go and wear some wig. I want to change and switch the look. But most of the time I just love my short hair, especially in the summer. Now that we're in the summer, short hair is ooh, it's life saving. It's so easy. In the morning, it's just take shower, get yourself ready, rub, do some hair cream, you're ready to go. Life is so easy. I really love short hair. And I also wanted to try the pixie haircut. I want to try something different. I want to relax my hair. So yeah, maybe in the next video you guys are gonna see I'm gonna relax my hair. I want to try the pixie curls. I want to try something, but now I can't go to the store, to the salon, to get the pixie curls because the hair is quite short right now, and the kind of style that I want, and my hair is quite short for it right now. So I have to allow it to grow a little bit. But for now, I feel like I can relax my hair and then do the wavy thing that I've been seeing online. I just want to try something different. I just want to have short hair for this summer. I don't want to go through the process of detangling, all the stuff like that. I want to put that energy into the girls. I want that energy to be on the girls' hair. I don't want to have that. I don't want to. I don't want to. I don't want to. For now, I don't want to. So let's just say the natural hair growth journey, allowing my hair to grow long and beautiful. Just put it aside. Let's just put it aside for now. Let's just put it aside for now. For now, I just enjoy the short hair. I love it. It looks beautiful. It's very easy to maintain. There's not much to do. I have so much freedom when it comes to my own hair. And when I feel like switching it up, I have so much wigs. I have so much wigs that I can wear. These last few days, I just wear wigs when I feel like switch it up. And when I feel like I don't want to, I just leave my natural hair like that. And it's beautiful. And with this beautiful weather, oh my God, feels so free. And one of the wigs I have been wearing this last few days is the no glue, glueless, no glue. You don't need to put any glue. I can put it on when I want to go out, and when I'm back, I can just take it off. Sometimes I just go out with my natural hair. I just give it a little bit of comb, put some gel, and then do something nice with it. But so far, I have been loving it. So yeah, I just want to come and give you guys a quick update. And I'll put some clips along so you guys can see how my hair used to look like before. Now it is grown because now it is really grown. I went bald. I went completely bald, and I loved it. I enjoy it, and I've been spending so much time taking care of the girls' hair because the girls' hair has grown so much, so beautiful. They have really nice hair, and I'm really glad that I have the time and the patience to put my energy there. And as for my hair always grows. My hair will always grow. My hair is very thick when it's natural, so it also need a lot of time and energy. And for now, I just want to put that into the girls' hair. I don't want to focus on my own hair. And also secretly, I want to wear the short hair for the summer. I want to have short hair for the summer. The summer, I just want to chill. I want to relax. I don't want to go through the stress of doing anything with my own hair. Okay. So when it grows a little bit, I will go to the salon and do the tips, pixie haircut. For now, I just want to relax it and be using gel to do something nice with it. But yeah, this is it. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comment box. But I know you guys know I always cut my hair off. Because for those OG subscribers, you guys know like Ami's always doing something crazy with her hair. One moment she's letting the hair grow, one moment she's cutting it off. Like this girl don't know what she wants. Sometimes, sometimes that can be the case. Sometimes, not always. But I just love short hair, and I feel like it also fits me. It fits my face. I'm beautiful with short hair. I'm beautiful with long hair, but I'm more comfortable with short hair. I can be honest. I feel more comfortable with short hair. I don't mind short hair. I don't mind going bald. I can do it over and over and over again. I have no issue with it. It looks good on me. I feel comfortable. I also feel comfortable with my natural hair regardless, long or short. I just love it. But if I can choose, I'll choose the short one because it's low maintenance. I don't have much to do. Yeah. So this is it. I don't want to keep this video too long. Yeah, I hope you all like it, and sorry for ghosting, being MIA for a while. I will definitely be back. I do have videos that I have been posting, just that I have not put them public yet, and I haven't gotten the time to do that. But definitely now I will try my best. I don't want to promise, but I will definitely try my best to do my best because that's all I can do, my best, right? Thank you guys so much for your love and support. And see you all on the next video. TeamFullest, peace out. Heel erg bedankt voor jullie liefde en understanding. Hoop ik jullie zo snel mogelijk. Doei!